One tackle destroyed Arsenal's title dreams and changed football forever. February 23rd, 2008. Arsenal sat top of the Premier League, playing the most beautiful football in England. Eduardo da Silva was their clinical finisher, a Croatian magician who never missed when it mattered. Birmingham City, away. Just another step toward the title. Until the third minute happened. Martin Taylor came flying in with a horror tackle that shattered Eduardo's leg on live television. The sound echoed around St. Andrews. Teammates turned away in horror. Arsène Wenger stood frozen on the touchline, his face white with shock. But the real damage wasn't just Eduardo's broken bones. Arsenal's confidence was destroyed. Players admitted they became scared to tackle. They won just 7 of their final 12 games, throwing away the title. That single moment ended their last genuine championship challenge under Wenger. One reckless tackle changed everything.